When I get furniture online, I kind of expect that it's going to be flimsy and fall apart quickly. I'm Gina with WTI, and the quality of this table that I got from SICOTAS is the exact opposite of that. It is so well made, it's so sturdy, it's heavy duty, and it looks amazing. I love the way that it transforms this corner. It went from being okay to just being a spectacular breakfast nook. The fluted base is so modern, but can still fit in with other aesthetics like farmhouse or boho. I got the dark gray alder color. It is simply stunning in person, and even the different grains on it just gives it a really nice aesthetic. This table can fit up to 6 people. I got 4 chairs that match to go with it from SICOTAS, and I get so many compliments on this set. I was able to put this together myself in about an hour. I did need to have a hammer drill with a Phillips head attachment in order to put in the screws for the latches on the other side of the table. And I would recommend having a second person to help you turn it over when you're done installing all of the hardware. I think you're going to be just as impressed as I was by the quality of this, especially for how good the price is. And that's my point of view.